Hey learners, welcome back to lessonlogics. Today we'll discuss range function in Python, and to explain range function I am using Python documentation, which is a official documentation from Python. In this documentation we can see that what is range. Python program uses range function to basically iterate a specific set of instruction multiple number of times with the help of for loop. So in various manner we can use range function कि जब हमें रेंज फंक्शन को यूज़ करना होता है मल्टीपल टाइम्स, अगर किसी भी कमांड को पाइथन में हमें किसी भी स्टेटमेंट को हमें चलाना है तो उसके लिए हम फॉर लूप के अंदर रेंज फंक्शन का यूज़ करते हैं. तो बेसिकली रेंज फंक्शन में क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं. सबसे पहले तो हम रेंज फंक्शन को स्पेसिफिकली ऐसे दे सकते हैं कि रेंज स्टॉप 5 कि रेंज के अंदर हमने एक स्टॉपिंग पॉइंट दे दिया जहाँ तक कि वो स्टॉप करेगा. तो बेसिकली ये अगर मैं इसको प्रिंट करता हूँ तो वो दिखाएगा रेंज फ्रॉम 0 to 5. दैट मीन्स ये आइटरेट करेगा फ्रॉम 0 to 4. इट विल नॉट रीच 5, इट विल आइटरेट फॉर 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. हाउ वी कैन गेट टू नो दैट व्हाट रेंज फंक्शन actually contains? We can actually convert its type to list and then use range from not from to 5. It contains 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means it iterates over 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. After which we can see that there is another option to use range function. We can use range function with the help of start, stop and step. For example, if I don't want to start range from 0, then there is an option that I can start from 4 and I can go towards 7. So it will contain 4, 5, 6. And sometimes it may be possible I do only want to have a number with a step size of 2 or a sequence with a step size of 2. So what I'll do, I'll just simply do range starting index, let's say 2, ending index, let's say 10, and the step size is 2. Then the result will be 2, 4, 6 and 8. Apart from this, we have multiple ways to use range function, like it is given over here. So आपको अगर कोई भी चीज़ सीखनी है या भी कोई भी चीज़ पढ़नी है जो पाइथन में आपको कहीं से किसी सोर्स से नहीं मिलती है, you can directly access Python documentation to understand all the things which are given in Python. We do know that this is a start, stop and step. So here is given the value of start parameter. If you will not pass the parameter for start parameter, then it will consider it as 0. Then the stop parameter where you want to stop that range. After which we do have step, the step parameter. That means mostly it is 1, but when you change the step parameter, then it gets modified according to your need. Like over here we do have range over 0 to 20 and step size is 2. So if I do p is equal to this and I'll print p, so it will show me range function. But if I'll actually convert its type to list p and function brackets, so it will give us 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Okay. So basically range is an immutable data type. We cannot change these things when we do have this only range. After converting that range into list, we can change it, but while in the sequence of range, we cannot change a specific parameter or a specific value. Now, how we can check whether a particular element is present in a sequence or not, or in a range or not? We can actually see it like 11 in p, as p is the range, false. 11 in range of 7, but it will return, it will return false. But I'll try to find 5 in range 7, it will return true. That means a membership operator can help in finding that whether an element is present in a specific range or not, or in a sequence or not. For example, if I'll see 5, if I'll just do this list of P, let's store it in L, and do this 11 in L, it will also return false. So we can use membership operator over range as it is a sequence, and we can use membership operator on any other sequence as well. To find something in Python documentation, first of all we'll open Python documentation by typing docs.python, docs.python.org. Now we are in Python 3. So what's new in Python? Tutorial, library references, language references. So we'll go in library references. Here we can find all the things which we want to actually read, like regular expression, string. For example, I want to search range, so go over there. Now in sequence type I want to go at range. Now I am at range. I can actually get authentic knowledge from this source. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our lesson, then please do share and subscribe to our channel Lessonlogics. So see you in the next lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you and Jai Hind.